about to go to bed, but it is October 15th, Sunday, 5:04 in the morning, and I decided to start a vlog from here because later today gonna clean out my fridge, me and my son, and my freezer. Lord knows they both need to be cleaned out. So I'm gonna vlog that because that makes for good content. So I figured I would just start a vlog from here of me shutting shit down before I go to bed. But oh, and me figuring out what I'm gonna leave out for my son to eat for his breakfast, because I have to count every meal, his carbs. I'm gonna do that. But before I do any of that, I am going to transfer over, well, finish making my thumbnail for the vlog that's gonna go live later today. I finished editing it yesterday. I knew I wasn't gonna set it to go live yesterday because it was too late in the day, and I know I was gonna set it to go live today. I just made the thumbnail, but I gotta put the title on it and then send it over to my iMac from my phone. I need to quickly glance at the vlog so I can figure out what I want to call it. So I'm gonna do that, and the vlog is already done uploading to YouTube. I just need to finish the thumbnail and set it to go live at a certain time. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna figure out what my son is gonna eat for breakfast, and then I'm gonna shut shit down in here and I'm gonna go to bed. Come along with, and then I'll pick back up on the vlog way later today, but come along. So hello, it is now way later in the day. It is about 2:30. Me and my son are about to clean out my fridge. Finally, it's a fucking disaster. And then I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of dishes to wash. Let's get to that. So much fun having your own place, having to fucking clean out your fridge. I'm gonna try this time to keep it as clean as possible though, because if you keep it clean, then you don't have to do big cleans like this, which you probably should do big cleans sometimes, but if you keep it clean, you won't have to do it that often. It'll just be small cleans, and then maybe one big clean every so often. Let's get to it and let y'all see how disgusting my fridge is and my freezer. and how clean. Gonna get it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it is a little bit later now. Just got out of the shower, so disregard my hair. Back of my hair is wet. I'm gonna let y'all see what my face looks ashy because I just got out of the shower. It's clean. I'm gonna show y'all what the fridge and the freezer looks like really quick. And now that it's all cleaned, and I'm gonna make some more pasta for me to eat with some of the meat that I made yesterday, the taco meat that I made yesterday. Let's look at the fridge and the freezer real quick. So this is the cleaned fridge. I put pretty much everything in bowls, and the door looks so much better too. Okay, so this is the freezer all clean, and I was just saying that I'm still trying to finish off that frozen drink little bit by little bit, and the bottom part was extremely dirty, and it's completely clean now. And I threw away quite a bit that was in the freezer, and that is actually coffee in that bowl. I had it in a bunch of cups, but I put it in one big bowl. I always make way too much coffee. And the door of the fridge, and I also cleaned the outside of the fridge. I think it was after and made him wipe down the door of the laundry room. Forgot to have him do the pantry door, but that's okay next time. So I'm gonna make some pasta now, and then I'm gonna be done for the day. Just took my shower, and these are all the dishes. Hold on, doing a lot here. These are all the dishes that I washed. Just put this in the sink. He's gonna wash it when he washes his bowl. He's eating his lunch, very late lunch. And these are all the dishes between everything I took out of the refrigerator and the refrigerator and what was in the sink before. A lot of dishes, but all of this is clean. That's the only thing that needs to be washed. And these just have soapy water soaking in them. Let's make this pasta and then I'm done. And I'm gonna eat for the first time today. food. I think my son ate his plate after, like hours after I did, because he had a late lunch. Yeah, so this is my taco pasta, and it is taco meat that I made, and then I made pasta, and then I just seasoned some raw bell peppers and ate those on the side. And me and my son were watching murder mystery movies. We watched 6 of the 6. That series had 6 movies, and we watched all 6 over 3 days.
I'll drive you.
So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this one-day vlog. I think I've vlogged enough with all the cleaning of the fridge and the freezer. Disregard my hair. I haven't put my bonnet back on yet, but I'm gonna close it out. So hope that you enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.